welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today is a bittersweet day. Today's moving day for me. This is the last video that I'm going to be filming in this space, makeup video, outside of course vlogging and stuff for the next day, because we are going to come back and clean. But this is our last makeup video together in this space, the space where it all started. So yeah, I am overwhelmed, I'm excited, I'm sad, I'm a lot of things, but I am going to just enjoy this last video with you guys. So if you're wanting to see the makeup look that I'm going to do, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. So I promised myself I wasn't gonna cry, but as you can see, it is coming down. So yeah, I already moisturized my face. We're gonna go ahead and jump in to doing our brows. Actually, I should do my brows off camera because it takes like forever, so I'll go ahead and do that. Maybe that'll stop the tears a little bit, and then I'll come back and we will go on to the eyes and the face. Okay, I'm back and the tears have subsided, and we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna be doing sort of like a soft glam kind of look. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. Just gonna prime these lids. I could probably go in with my face first, but I feel like I want to do my eyes first. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because obviously we're gonna be moving and I'm gonna sweat all this off. So something pretty light, but still a little glam for you guys. So it is a little bittersweet for me. Like I said, this is where it all started. This is where I decided I wanted to create a YouTube channel and just express myself and share my self with you guys on YouTube. And I'm gonna continue doing YouTube, obviously, you know, and I am moving into a new chapter of my life, and it's exciting but also scary. It's a new city, you know, everything's gonna be new for my kids and for me and my husband, and I just want to make sure that everything is gonna work out. So I mean, it's still a little crazy. Like, I knew this was coming, I knew this day was coming, I already knew all that, and I'm just like, it's here. I'm gonna dip into the Nude Mood palette from ColourPop. I haven't had a chance to play with this. I bought this a while ago, and I'm just dipping into it now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I put a lot of my brushes away, so I'm just gonna be using some brushes that I have out right now. And what can I say? It's been quite a journey for me here, and I can't wait for what comes next. By the way, you're gonna hear my kids in the background. My husband's moving the last of the beds and things like that, so you'll hear them. They're coming up and down the stairs and playing in the rooms because now there's an echo. Actually, I used the Au Natural color for my crease. I'm just kind of building that up. And like I said, I'm going for a really easy, like soft glam type of look. So this one, we're gonna just take this e.l.f. This is a blending brush, but it's kind of flat as you can see, so I'm just gonna kind of use that. And I'm gonna go into the color Bluffin'. And I'm gonna put that like on the lid. Almost like creating a cut crease, but doing it with shadow versus doing it with concealer and everything. This is like the easy way of creating like a cut crease. It's like a foolproof way, so that you don't have to use concealer and stuff like that. You just kind of use the brightest color, or the closest to like, and I'm putting it in my not all over my lid, like the first like third, excuse me, the inner corner and like the middle, kind of leaving the V because I'm going to deepen that with another color. So with another brush, this one's a little bit smaller and it's a little bit more precise. I'm going to go into this color right here, this chocolatey brown. It's called Moody, and I'm going to use that on this brush. I'm just going to take that in this like outer V corner, just deepen it to kind of create like a dimension there. And I'm flicking it out because I like to have like that little cat eye even though it's blown out. See? And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back in to this fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Au Naturel. And I'm going to go ahead and like buff this right in the top. Make sure that there is no harsh lines. Same thing on this side. Kind of making sure everything is blended. Perfect. Now on the flat brush that we used, I'm going to go ahead and take the other side. This is where we had that creamy color. I'm going to take the other side. And I just want to create a little bit of, instead of this harshness that you see, I'm going to take this the cocoa color. And this has like a little bit of glittery, like shimmery stuff. But once you like put it on, it doesn't have. And I'm just going to tap that like right in between so it creates like a gradient. See how that is? Just so it goes from like light to like medium to like dark. And do the same thing on this side. Just creating like a gradient, as you can see, so it doesn't have like that harshness. Then I'm going to go back into that Moody color because when you start to tap you lose some of it, and then I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of tap and just make sure that it's in there. There you go. Just tap, and then whatever excess, I just take it into like that little crease part. There you go. Now I'm going to take this little color right here on a small little brush. This is my Eco Tools brush. This is a micro smudger brush, but I'm going to take that. And I'm going to take this color right here, put on Airs. And I'm just going to take that and place it like right on top of that Leffen color. Just because I want a little bit of shimmer, just very lightly. You can actually do it with your finger. It's just that I have nails and I'm not trying. See? Funny. Okay. So we're going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and grab a wipe just for the fallout that I saw this happen. And then I'm going to throw on some liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Lashes on, liner on. I didn't do a wing liner because I just didn't want to. I'm going to go ahead and go into my face because we are now wrapping it up. We got to go. My husband's like, let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, my favorite primer of them all. Y'all know. I'm going to put that all over. This is just the regular universal one. I actually packed the other one, I believe. If I didn't pack it, then I probably put it with my everyday makeup. I mean, this is just everyday makeup too, but in my actual my bag to go take with me. So we're going to do that. And then lately I've been using two primers. Sort of. I mean, it's not a primer, it's like a serum. This is the 4th Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk. As you can see, I love it. So I'm going to use a little bit of that just because I want to have nice glowy skin. I haven't done makeup in so long, probably a few days. No, it's probably been like a week, and I feel like my skin is going through it, obviously, with all the move. I want it to look as hydrated, and I decided to put a full coverage foundation on today. Go in. I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I'm also going to be using their Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. You guys know this is like one of my favorite drugstore concealers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go wet my... It is annoying when we have to move. I hate it. And I warned my husband, and he didn't heed my warning how it was going to be. I feel like he just doesn't want to listen to me because I'm a woman and I'm his wife. And he's like, I don't have to listen to her. So yeah, things are about to change drastically for us because we don't know what this crazy virus that's going on. My husband's got limited hours. I have no hours at work. I don't know what's happening yet. If they're going to be opening any of the stores because of the virus, I don't know. It's kind of crazy, this whole epidemic. But whatever. We can only do what we can. Here are my crazy kids. My husband's all upset because he's saying that nobody helped him. But he already knew how that was going to be because we have children. We have babies. You know, and I know that he's stressed out. I know he's like, I need to have the car here, there, truck there. But we already knew. I already knew. You know? When we make it. Once we're on the road, I'm in no rush. He's in no rush. Just as long as we make it there safe and soundly. That's all that matters, right? No, moving is so strenuous, especially when you're doing it with kids. So I get that my husband is, you know, trying his best, but I feel like I already knew this. I already knew that this was all gonna happen. I told him and he didn't heed my warning. He didn't listen. And he gets mad at me and I'm like, he catches the attitude and I'm just like, we have kids. You know, it's not like when we moved 1,000,000,001 times before, we had less kids, less furniture, less stress. We're gonna finish the lower lash line, obviously. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this little smudger brush that I use. I'm gonna clean it off. And I'm just gonna take the color, the Cocoa, and run that on the lower lash. My kids are getting stir crazy. I'm gonna take Au Natural and I'm just gonna buff that out. Alright. And I think that's it on that part. Oh, no, we're gonna do inner corner highlight. We're gonna use the color Wink Wink, which is this pretty like pinky color. And I'm just going to put that right in there. It's so pretty. I'm going with the Morphe Debutante bronzer. I want something a little warmer for my face. Kids are going crazy downstairs. I can hear them. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me blush. It's like a peachy, pinky, more pinky than peachy. Just gonna put that right in here. Now we're going to spray. I'm going to be using the Revolution Skincare London Hyaluronic Hydrating Essence Spray in grapefruit. It smells yummy. It has a fine mist. For highlight, I'm going to be using a Makeup Geek highlight. This is in the color Midnight Sun. It doesn't look like anything in the pan, but this highlight is so pretty. Look at that. Yes. It's just enough. I love it. Makeup Geek has like one of the best formulas for highlights that I found. It's so pretty. Look at that. Now for lips, I kind of grabbed what I could, and I wanted to try something new that I haven't tried in a while, or I haven't even tried. It might be a little off because we do have like a brownie kind of thing happening. It's this color. It's the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish from Physicians Formula. And I found this in my collection. I was like, oh my god, I've never tried that. So we're gonna line our lips with the Saint Laurent Chic lip liner. So we got that going. Well, it's not that bad. It does have more pinky tone to it, obviously. But it's not so bad. So it says a velvet finish. This is in Very Healthy. I mean, it's pretty. Alright, let's spray our face because we're going to sweat a lot. So I'm going to put this matte blotting mist from e.l.f. I know. It's crazy. And this is the final look. So as I said, this has been a bittersweet day. I mean, it's coming to an end. We're gonna get ready to move out and go on the road. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. I hope you enjoyed this quick look, soft glam tutorial-ish type of thing, because I was rushing. It wouldn't be my video if I wasn't rushing, right? That's my life. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos, which is 3 days a week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And I hope that you guys continue watching me on my new adventure and my new place. Like I said, I appreciate all the love and all the support. So I love you guys. And I will see all you beauties in my next video.